next level.
Climax is heart wrenching and it's so good.
సాంగ్ వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి మంచు విష్ణు అని చెప్పి నిజంగా మర్చిపోయాం, అసలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు.
Hello viewers, welcome to India Today. This is Maruti Acharya with Sanjay Ponnappa. We just completed watching the film Kannappa starring Manchu Vishnu and a big ensemble cast. Special cameos by Mohanlal, Prabhas, Akshay Kumar, Kajal Agarwal. So the movie is at your nearest theatres. Go book your tickets. The show got over. We'll go talk to the fans and get you the instant reactions of what fans and audience feel about this film. So let's get right into it.
I gotta say, movies next level. Just because Rebel star Prabhas is there, we are diehard. Many of you are diehard fans of Prabhas. Okay, so I don't know about the movie. I slept in the first half. I don't care about the first half. Second half, I woke up. I was in second. You know, the movie was different. Can't even explain. That's different thing.
Can't able to see the screen and we can't able to hear. That's much crowd it was.
The movie was really good, especially in the second half, and the climax was very emotional. I didn't expect it at all. My expectations were a bit low in the first half, but second half was a surprise. It was really good.
So were you feeling this war?
Yes, definitely. Especially in the last 15-20 minutes, it was really good.
చాలా బాగుంది, అసలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. సెకండ్ హాఫ్ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఉంది. అసలు సాంగ్ వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి మంచు విష్ణు అని చెప్పి నిజంగా మర్చిపోయాం, అసలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. ప్రభాస్ ఎంట్రీ అయితే ఇంకా అసలు చెప్పనవసరం లేదు, స్క్రీన్స్ ఏం కనిపించలేదు. సో లైక్ ఫుల్ వర్త్ ద మనీ.
ఓకే, సో క్లైమాక్స్ అందరికీ కనెక్ట్ అవుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నారా?
చాలా బాగా కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, అందరికీ కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. లైక్ ఎమోషనల్గా కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అని చాలా సీన్స్ చాలా బాగా కనెక్ట్ చేసి చూపించారు. సో అన్ని రిలేటబుల్ గానే ఉంది, ఏది ఎగ్జాజరేట్ చేసి చూపించినట్టు ఏం లేదు. సో ఎవరికైతే ముందు స్టోరీ తెలీదో వాళ్ళందరికీ కొంచెం కన్వే చేసినట్టు కూడా ఉంటుంది.
పాన్ ఇండియా లెవెల్లో మూవీని పిచ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, సో డూ యూ థింక్ పాన్ ఇండియా ఆడియన్స్ విల్ లైక్ ఇట్?
ఐ థింక్ బికాస్ అందరికీ ఆ స్టోరీ తెలియదు కదా, సో ఇట్ క్యాన్ రీచ్ టు పాన్ ఇండియా లెవెల్ ఆల్సో, హోప్ఫుల్లీ. థ్యాంక్
When Prabhas is there, the film 25 minutes it went like excellent, and climax is good. First half could have been better.
So performances, all the other performances.
Like Mohanlal's is good, Akshay Kumar's is good, Vishnu also done good compared to before films. It is
Movie is so good, especially the Prabhas episode is damn so good.
Okay, what about the climax?
Climax is heart wrenching and it's so good.
It's hard. How's the film?
BGM is very nice and Prabhas introduction is good.
How's the film?
ప్రభాస్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంకా సినిమా వెనక్కి వెళ్ళలేదు. ఐ మీన్ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ వెరీ స్లో, అండ్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ప్రభాస్ కేమ్ ద మూవీ విష్ణు యాక్టింగ్ next level, and he took the whole film to next level in the last 30 minutes, especially after Prabhas comes.
What did you like in the film?
Prabhas entry.
How was the film?
Good.
What did you like in the film?
Prabhas.
Okay. What did you like in the film?
Everything is Prabhas.
Okay. How was the film?
Only for Prabhas.
Okay. How was the film?
Super and excellent.
Super. Manchu Vishnu acting అయితే
super.
Vishnu Babu.
మంచు విష్ణు.
What did you like in the film?
Prabhas.
Okay. First half, second half, overall, all performances?
Second half is nice. Yes, yeah.
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
How was the performances?
It's obviously Prabhas.
Okay. What about the climax?
You have to watch the climax.
Yeah.
You have to experience it.
Yeah, the film was very good, and the climax you're gonna cry. The half of the climax you're gonna cry. Manchu Vishnu has skill. I think this is the biggest hit of his career, because most of the people who troll him, they're gonna regret very much. That's the climax, and the Prabhas introduction was we can't.
Yeah. How was the film?
It was good. The BGM is the main strength of the film, and all the characters are well written and well executed. The climax is the main strength of the film. Yeah, it was very good.
BGM very nice. From starting onwards it's working. I think he's a new music director.
There are few production quality issues, but it's good. Yeah, people will connect.
How was the film, boss?
ఫిల్మ్ ఈజ్ గుడ్, బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ సమ్ సీన్స్ షుడ్ బి అవాయిడ్. అంటే కొన్ని సీన్లు అవాయిడ్ చేసి ఉండాల్సింది. సీన్స్ కాదు, 2 సాంగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఇది ఇప్పుడు అకార్డింగ్ టు విష్ణు ఇట్ ఇస్ హిస్టారికల్ మూవీ. మనం హిస్టరీ చూపిస్తున్నప్పుడు కొన్ని సాంగ్స్ సీన్స్ అవాయిడ్ చేయాలి. బట్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరూ వచ్చింది ప్రభాస్ కోసం, దట్ ఈస్ జస్టిఫైడ్ ఇన్ ద మూవీ. బట్ కొన్ని అవాయిడ్ చేసి ఉండాల్సింది, చేసుంటే ఇంకా బెటర్ ఉండేది, అనుకున్న రిజల్ట్ వచ్చేది. బట్
What do you think about the climax?
Climax, it's good.
Yes, so that was the public reaction. We are here at 6:30 a.m. show in Tirumala Theatre, Bangalore. So there are also people who spoke in Telugu. Overall, what majority of the people are saying is that they really like the climax. Climax is receiving unanimous response. Yes, people are saying that there are some ups and downs in the first half, but the Prabhas portions, the Akshay Kumar portions, Mohanlal portions, and especially the climax really worked. But again, that is public reaction. If you watched it, what is your reaction? Mention that in the comments below. And me and Sanjay Ponnappa are going to upload a review immediately. It will be on the channel. Do not miss that. Do check that out as well. As well as we do teaser reactions, trailer reactions, reviews, everything. We recently went to theatre and did the Raja Saab teaser reaction. That is also on the channel. Don't miss to check that out as well. And with that, this is Maruti Acharya with Sanjay Ponnappa and you're watching India Today.